I was talking to the two of the songbirds just now, and I asked on the telepathic plane, is the big being that takes care of you here right now? Spirit guided me to ask that question. And the one on the right said, with great enthusiasm, it said, wait till dark, it will be here then. That inconceivable being is green, is bright green and bright orange and bright purple. And then it said, that'll do it for me. They're speaking English, I swear. I can't begin to explain. So on the right, I heard just now, shit, no, isn't what we say. They Becker die of COVID isn't what we say. Chiding like, and I said, who are you talking to? And the songbird on the right said, we're talking to the gophers, they're trying to learn human. So from that I gathered that the subconscious mind of human beings is influenced by the mantras of each of the species of beings, the non-human species of beings on Earth. And so the question would be to use a sacred mantra, a mantra of love and light and joy, to reassure the body of light that it can shine perfectly forth in the world. Otherwise, we may be picking up unintentional mantras from other species. These birds, they never stop speaking English. They're willing to teach anybody about love and light and joy. So I was just about to leave, and one on the far left over here said, thank you very much for allowing us to teach you. And I said, thank you.